Hello, Yellow 6 parents, guardians, and students. In this video, I will be introducing the teachers and staff that will be working with your child this year in Yellow 6. To begin with, we have Team Makamai, led by Mrs. Glorianne Kama and Ms. Lori Sogawa. Mrs. Kama teaches social studies, language arts, and the art wheel. Ms. Sogawa teaches science, math, and the music wheel. Next, there is Team Makau Kau, led by Mrs. Amy Kim and Mr. Paul Sasaki. Mrs. Kim teaches social studies and language arts, plus the STEM wheel, while Mr. Sasaki teaches science, math, and the physical education wheel. The last Yellow 16 is Team Makana, led by Mrs. Sandra Shomura-Takata and Mrs. Yvonne Kawiho. Mrs. Shomura-Takata teaches social studies, language arts, and the computer literacy wheel. Mrs. Kawiho teaches science, math, and the health wheel. Mrs. Carice Mao is the Yellow Track counselor, and she works with the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade Yellow Track students. Mrs. Laura Fernando is the math and language arts resource teacher. Mrs. Fernando also teaches the study skills wheel. Mrs. Erna Hobro is the science and social studies resource teacher. Ms. Kelly and Ms. Sherry are the two educational assistants who service the Yellow 6 students. Welcome to Yellow 6.